Symbolic.
Eh, what?
We're about to find something a little drastic about Ethan.
Oh no, where's my orange juice?
Now, since... Remember what happened right before Jason died? After the clown, though.
Gonna have to make it through the crowd. I can't take crowds.
He was stuck in the crowd.
Just can't handle
with
it.
his son.
Oh.
Because of that experience, he's now agoraphobic.
Oh.
He cannot handle crowds.
Oh, God. That sucks. And I'm walking.
I can't make it. Too many people. Too many people.
Wait. What? Oh, okay. Oh, I'm gasping for air. Oh, okay.
Breathe. Trying not to have a panic attack.
Yeah. Okay, I'm holding them.
No one fucking sees this fucking asshole.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, let alone no one cares.
This guy's holding his throat. Like, did they not think he's like choking or something?
Help!
Yeah, or like, is something happening? Like...
Well, here's the most fun part of the game.
Time stop.
Did I stop time?
Is that what I do?
Just pushes him over.
Bloop.
Oh,
Whoa.
okay.
He just felt like fucking ragdolls.
What the fuck? Dad! Wait.
Balloons!
Hello, Ethan. Oh.
Orange juice. Jason.
Jason!
Oh god, here
They're
we
doing
go.
this again?
Oh, God. Oh, fuck.
Just
I'm sorry.
Plow him through!
What? Wait, where'd he go? Where's the balloon?
To your left.
Shit.
Jason!
Shit. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. Oh, God. There he is. Sir? Okay, excuse me. Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm sorry. I'm trying so hard to... Oh, God. Oh, I'm sorry.
Knock them all over. Fuck them all.
But it's like, oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
Jason!
There he is. There's my son. Oh, fuck.
Jason.
I
Oh,
was like,
God damn it.
that's what I was
Oh,
just
no.
saying. He just clipped through these people.
Great. He can teleport too. God damn it.
God. Jason. I swear to God. Oh, God. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Of all the...
It's like, God damn. Oh, God. I'm sorry. I was trying to get to my son. Oh, Jesus.
Jason!
Oh, there he is. Oh, God. Oh, sorry. Oh, gee. Oh, God. Oh. I'm alive. I think all these other people are alive, too.
So what? Did he just effectively just crawl through the crowd in like a fetal position? Is that what happened in real life?
Maybe? And if that was the case, nobody paid mind to that.
It's just fucking Philadelphia.
A nightmare. The whole thing was just a fucking nightmare. Jason is dead.
Not back towards the crowd.
Oh, shit. Oops. Sorry. Alright, so I guess I'm hanging through here then.
Line 18, box number 3.
We're looking for a locker.
Okay. So where's the... Alright, okay, there's the locker room. Alright, 18-3. Well, there's 3.
Well...
Oh, no, no. Okay, never mind, I see it. Let's see, maybe around... Okay. Oh, here we go.
Here we are. And like a jump scare comes out. Oh, you got me, guys.
It's like... Squirrel!
Sean's head.
Oh.
Oh, it was just another nightmare.
Can't run from this one, Russell.
God.
We Like, what's in the box?
Wow.
What's in the box?
It's a surprise!
Sketchers. You okay, Russell? You alright?
Wow.
I'm fine.
Wow, you're...
Yeah, he's just like, I cannot believe I'm surrounded by these people.
Wow,
Okay, I
you're
didn't say
into
all
that. I was bad, my god.
I didn't say all that. He hasn't opened it yet, has he?
Nope.
No. I don't wanna. Wait.
Lucky Locker.
Huh.
I think there actually is an achievement you can get if you knock down like a lot of people
Oh god.
in the
That's
nightmare.
what I was just gonna say. Just plow them over, man.
I felt bad on killing them all.
The nightmare, it's fine.
I know, but... Okay, alright.
I mean, nightmares are never fun, but
Okay, I'm gonna try... Okay. Can I open the box? Oh, wait a sec.
I don't feel like it.
you have
Hold on.
no other option.
No, wait, hold on. I gotta pee first.
Go pee again. God damn it.
I'm so nervous. I gotta go number one, man.
It was all that orange juice, man.
It's so...
It's like I cannot escape the orange juice parasite.
Apparently, it's a very critical condition. Oh, wait, let me see.
Wash your hands. That's always important.
Oh, of course. Oh.
Not on your face.
Oh.
Are the faucet handles reversed? Isn't it cold supposed to be on the right and hot on the left?
Usually, yeah.
Weird. I need the fucking shave.
Oh God, I haven't shaved in weeks.
Years.
Years. Well, if it was years, his beard would be much, much bigger than that.
Yeah, it's like he'd be like,
Oh,
he'd be like the completionist.
Look at that.
Exactly, yeah.
Look at that. Motel that comes with pills.
Oh my God.
Isn't that a little dangerous, like leaving pills inside of a motel room?
Maybe.
Because I'm pretty sure those were there before we rented this place out.
Okay, I'm gonna open the box.
Ew.
Hey, gun! Yeah, it means to protect yourself.
And money?
And origami figures.
The number.
Huh.
Oh.
That's the number of victims he's taken.
And a cell phone.
Let me check. All right, let me check the bear.
Beer.
Are you prepared to show courage to save your son? Joe's Garage and Parking Lot 4988, Roosevelt Avenue, Lexington.
Okay.
Huh. Alright. So something tells me we'll eventually be going through that area. Alright, let's see what this is all about.
It's a cell phone battery. They need my cell phone. I wonder what they do.
Aha! Wait, what the hell?
Dad,
Sean.
where are you? I'm so cold. Dad.
What the hell?
Well,
How
how far are you prepared to save someone you love?
what the, how did he get that, what?
5 origami figures. Each figure is a trial. Each trial provides letters. The letters reveal the address.
Oh, God.
Oh,
It's
so
one
now
of these puzzles.
okay, so now the killer's playing a game.
I want to play a game. Good God.
Alright, let's hide that under the bed.
I was hiding under the bed.
Oh, actually, could you leave it on the desk? I thought you. Thank you for your patience. still don't have a fucking umbrella.
I keep forgetting to buy one after all these years.
Fairly certain everyone in Philadelphia just has gills. Who's next? Jaden.
Jaden.
Yep.
All right.
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He doesn't act on impulse, but plans his crimes in a very meticulous fashion. He doesn't have anything personal against the victims. That's why he covers their faces with mud, to make them anonymous.
Why does he kill them if he doesn't have anything against them?
Anything.
For him, they're more of an image, a symbol. That's probably why he gives them an origami figure and an orchid
Figure.
to apologize for what he's done to them.
Very interesting. And where does all that get us?
The best way of tracking a predator is to be familiar with his behavior.
That may be true in novels, but there's a child's life at stake here.
Continue, Jaden.
One detail attracted my attention. The interval between the time when a victim disappears and the time when the body is found ranges from 3 to 5 days. But the rainfall is always at 6 inches, give or take 10%.
What on earth does that mean?
All the
Stop playing with the
victims
projector.
around rainwater. The killer kills only in the fall. There's plenty of rain.
It's like I spent God knows how much time preparing this presentation. I am not gonna let any of these slides go to waste.
The more it rains,
Just
the less
mash
time
it.
the victim has to live.
What happens if you mash it?
Then I studied the geographical distribution of the murders. Generally, the killer commits his first murder near to where he lives, so he has.
Next you know, it turns out to be
any
that
complications.
one scene in the new
The more
It movie
confident
where
he
the
becomes,
projector
further
just
he
won't
comes from
stop.
his base. By analyzing the locations where the victims disappeared, I was able to isolate a zone where the killer might live.
And what size is this, zone?
This
moment?
guy is talking about a zone or something.
About 10 square miles.
Twilight Zone?
People live in that sort of area. You gonna question them one by one?
The more clues we get, the more we can reduce the zone. We can then cross-check it with our list of suspects and identify the killer.
So what's next?
There are 2 suspects whose psychological profile might fit and can be connected to the comfort zone. I'd like to question them.
God damn it. We're wasting our time with this bullshit. The killer's out there somewhere, and we gotta get off our asses and find him.
Oh my god.
The killer is no ordinary murderer. He is intelligent, organized, and methodical. You won't find him by patrolling the streets.
Tell me, Agent Jaden, did you get your vast experience on the job, or did you just fucking read about it in some school book?
Wow.
He's an FBI agent.
I came here to find a killer. And that is exactly what I'm gonna do. With or without your help.
Fucking asshole!
That's enough!
See, you were reasonable the whole
Said
time.
it took
Yeah.
Most people
inches of
go.
rainfall
Most people go
before
for
the
it.
victim died. How much time do we have left?
If the weather forecasts are right, less than 72 hours.
We have 3 days to find Sean.
And it's all because of the rain.
Yeah.
Okay, so Persona 4.
Oh god. What are you looking at?
No answer. We waste our time coming here.
Maybe we should have a little look inside anyway.
There's nobody
That's
home.
super illegal.
And so
Yeah.
you kind of need, like, the warrant.
Fuck your warrants.
Wow.
I'm not sure that's entirely legal.
Yeah, right?
Call the cops.
Fine, I will. Call 911.